What's up, y'all? Good morning. Back with another day. Yo, so check out, I didn't show you guys this trade from yesterday, so I want to show you how it played out. Want to speak about it. Make sure you go to the blog before this if you didn't see the breakdown, because it's very prevalent. But I will kind of just give you guys a quick basic breakdown before we get into today's, okay? So we had a long conversation yesterday about impulsive legs during the blog. Again, you didn't see that, check it out, bro. Massive gems in yesterday's blog of just talking about when we get up to these major swing points, which are lower highs, lower lows, higher highs, and higher lows, that you get a lot of manipulation, consolidation, sideways movement. So when you get a break above these swing points, like here, that doesn't automatically mean that it is a break of structure. We're potentially just taking out all the stop losses from these swing traders who are selling the market here, okay? So still playing off of that idea. Well, yesterday, we didn't get any type of supply and demand set up, but definitely we're bearish for the day, so we're just waiting for some type of break of minor support to go ahead and sell the market off. So very minor trend line forms here. Market's about to open. We finally get a support sitting down here, and there's a ton of manipulation at London highs, okay? So as soon as we kind of see in the market slow down and we get a break below support, went ahead and entered this trade. 1 to 2 hit before it came all the way back to break even. Of course, I got the signal group in as well, which is free. So if you guys don't know how to get into that, check the link down below. Very simple. And so going over towards today, we're thinking about those same concepts as we're going into looking to trade this market, which is going to be a sell-off. So let's go ahead and see how we can participate now with that higher time frame bias, okay? So going to 15-minute time frame here, I have a very valid supply sitting up here, and it's clean for a couple reasons. One, there's a nice gap sitting before it, and all gaps within the market need to be filled. But two, is all the liquidity we're taking out to get up to this zone, okay? We have London highs sitting up here, meaning all of the sellers from London, for one reason or another, their stop losses are probably at this most visible point, which is sitting at London highs. And we also are about to take out London highs, or Asian highs right now. So all of the sellers from Asia, their stop loss is probably at the most recognizable point, which is at Asian highs. And so if we can come up, take out all of their stop loss orders, tap into valid demand, at that same point that happens, obviously we're going to get a ton of breakout traders into the market just because we're breaking out of these highs, and then we'll go ahead and sell off the market and look to push down to previous session lows as always. So just waiting for this to form out, waiting for it to tap up in this area, and then we'll. If you are still struggling to be a profitable trader, follow my vlogs. I'm literally giving you guys everything. This is a 1 to 2 right here. So as soon as we hit 1 to 2, we'll put stops to B, and then 1 to 3 take out in full. I don't like how US 30 is playing at these lows. Looks like it's just grabbing. We've already grabbed highs. Looks like it's grabbing lows now. I'm not. It's not looking sexy to me. We still got like a minute 50 before candle closure. Obviously really wanted to see it close below these lows, but
Order fill.
I'm out here, bro. All right, y'all, so first day trading 500 bucks per trade. We had 2 very clean setups. Look at these $90 per trade, okay? Time to pick up the movement a little bit. Why take another trade today? Just because we only have 1 week left and I want to hit the goal? Potentially, we'll see. All right, so I want to run you guys through the rest of the trading day and talk about the importance of diversifying your portfolio, making sure you're trading more than one account. But check it out. Moving on to my personal account. Obviously not giving up on the day, not because we're revenge trading, not because we're over trading, not because we need to trade. Because it was a couple minutes into session, I found a very valid setup based off of our bias that we've been speaking about in this vlog. We spoke about in last vlog that I'm quite bearish on GJ until we start to break above a level which we barely broke above. But having that quick and nice break below this trend line, plus a break below support at session time, I went ahead and executed these shorts and ended up playing out for us. So as soon as a 1 to 2 hit, very simple bread and butter trade here. Went ahead and put stops to break even. As soon as a 1 to 3 hit here, I went ahead and removed myself in full. Just really wanted to make a talking point about diversification of your funds. It puts a lot less stress on yourself when you don't have all of your eggs in one basket. Not even just talking about multiple trading accounts, which is obviously very beneficial. The most important part is diversification of funds, okay? And not just with trading itself, but in multiple different areas. You know, if you would be more comfortable working at your job if you knew trading was making you additional income, you would be more comfortable working your own business if you knew you had passive income from real estate, whatever. The same case applies to trading. If you have multiple different trading accounts, you're opening up your chances to be able to consistently remove money from the markets on a monthly basis by giving yourself multiple different outlets of probability. So I'm not saying to change your risk parameters. I'm not saying to switch up your strategy, but when one account is potentially doing bad, it's nice to have a couple other accounts to be able to still use that same edge. And when the probabilities are with you on potentially one of those other ones instead of the first one, you're extracting money from the markets consistently, which is obviously the goal. So here on our challenge account, we lost $1,000. We lost 2 trades. However, because of risk to reward, because of our edge, and because of having multiple accounts, we hit a $7,600 day minus a K. So pretty much a $6,000 day because of it. So just a little talking point to you guys. For the rest of the day, I don't have much. I have a team meeting right now just to run through our content plan, see how calls went today, speak with my team, and then kind of a wrap, bro. You know, it's been a progressive week, but a very back in routine now that we're done with Dubai week. You know, making sure we're getting back to the gym, which I'm going to post up here. I'll post a little video or picture for when I was there. Same shirt. Got to hold myself accountable. I'm just not putting the gym vlog in every day. And just making sure I'm outside of times where I'm going out and enjoying life and traveling to different countries and stuff, making sure I understand what got me here in the first place, which is consistency, which is persistence in doing the same thing over and over and over again. And obviously over the course of time, I'm going to get better and better benefits and rewards from it. So that's it, y'all.